In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to klaviyo.com and make sure to sign up for an account by clicking onto this right here and entering your email address and signing up. If you already have an account, you can proceed to click onto this login option right here. Next thing is to head over to wordpress.com and then get started for an account as well. Click onto this right here, or if you already have one, just proceed to log in. Now, do take note that you need to have a business plan in order to integrate Klaviyo. So here is actually my actual WordPress site. I have the business plan right here. Now, scroll onto the left sidebar and from in there you can see the option for plugins. Head over and hover to that and click onto this add plugin option. Once you're in there, just click onto the search bar and search in here for Klaviyo. After that, just click onto this plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to actually install and activate it. Click on this button, and then as you see, this will install the plugin for us. So just wait for it and set it up as well. As you have noticed, our Klaviyo is already installed. You can find them right here. As you can see, it's already been activated. Now, in order to locate it, you just need to head over to marketing, and here is our Klaviyo. You can just proceed to click on that. And then from in there, proceed to click on to disconnect an account if you already have one or create it. Let me head over and connect an account right there. And after I've done that, just scroll down and click on this approve option. Do take note that WooCommerce and WordPress are connected into this port, so they are actually integrated at the same time. So wait for the integration to actually finish up. And from in there, you can see that it has opened our Klaviyo. So scroll down and you can see in here all of this. Click onto this complete setup once you're done. And then from in there, they should be able to enable the actual integration of those two. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.